Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to implement blur effect inside the Wondershare Filmora 13. Okay, so basically, let's say that you have a video and you want to implement the blur effect inside, I don't know, this part of of the video. Okay, so what we have to do first, we have to go and copy this video, right? Okay, and once we copy that video, we just go and move that video on top of the other one. Okay, there you go. So now we got two separate videos. Make sure that they are both aligned. Okay, so like this. And the next step would be we just go to on the right hand side under the video tab, you're gonna go to mask and we're gonna go and choose, I don't know, you want to go with the circle or rectangle or let's go with the rectangle. Okay, here is the rectangle inside our video. Now we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller. Okay, it's up to yourself. So the next step, or the third step, would be to go to the effects and you go and type in blur effect. Okay. Once you typed in blur effect, the different type of blur effects will be available for you. Okay, and you can choose the one you prefer. I'm gonna go and just go with the simple with this simple blur, the first one here, and we're gonna go and drag and drop here on the top of the of our video. All right. So now you can see that our video has been partially blurred. Okay, it's shadow but more like it. Okay, so the next step would be we just go to on the right hand side, and we go to the effects, and now we just need to go and make this effect bigger. Okay, so this makes our a part of our video which we want to be blurred. Okay, this video is now going to be blurred the way like we prefer. Okay, so we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can move around, and we can make this blur effect bigger or even smaller, you know. So that's all what I want to cover in this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated, and thank you very much for watching.